The intention of this video was to make samosas. So the wraps are not so hard to make. All you have to do is make unga the way you make chapati flour, and then you roll it to the thinnest that you can. And it's not so hard, especially if you have rolled well. It should come off easily. And then you will kausha the wraps on the pan just a little bit. You cook it a little bit. So the intention is to make it easier to deep fry when you're deep frying, and for it to cook evenly. So once I was done, I was supposed to round them off using a pan or a lid, but they were too small and I couldn't find a plate or a lid that was thin enough. So I'm just trying to shape them up using a knife. And after this step, that's where my disclaimer comes in. You know, guys, these things, there is nowhere where it is written they are supposed to be square, right? So I'll be making a variety of shapes because of obvious reasons. The wraps are a bit small, and also I haven't already mastered the art of making the triangular shapes. So here I'm just filling in with filling. So this is minced meat that I deep fried with a lot of onions, and those are spring onions. And I also had some cabbage, so I added in some cabbage. So I don't know if this is a samosa for meat, for cabbage, or for what, but it really tasted really nice. And then on the side I have made that glue with unga and water. Just you take a little bit of flour and then you mix it with water and you have some thick paste, and that paste is what now you use to seal off the edges. These I think should qualify for spring rolls. Yeah, spring rolls. Or you can even make them round, as long as the taste is what is important here, right guys? So now once I am done, I am going to set my air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius, and this is a setting that is used to cook meat. So I will just dust some oil using the oil brush on the samosas once I'm done, and then I'm going to put them into the air fryer. And this took me about 30 minutes to prepare and to make. So the 10 minutes on one side, and then you will go in and then you will flip them and do 10 minutes on the other side. And here is what you have, and then you will have your samosas perfectly cooked. Now guys, my honest review about these samosas made here is that they came out, the wrapper was a little bit too crunchy. So if you like your soft, maybe you can just deep fry, but for me I did not mind. And here is how they look.